Hello friends, today I am going to create a light beam effect image from the lamp in Photoshop. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let's move to the Photoshop. Right now the move tool is selected. First of all, I'll go to the adjustment layer and then I'll click on the color lookup. I select any of the preset which suits me. I'll select something like crispy warm look. Okay. And then I'll select the rectangular marquee tool. Right click on the rectangular marquee tool and drag a rectangle so that the lights fall from up to down. And then I'll again go to the adjustment layers and here I'll select the gradient. I'll click on the gradient and select any of the gradient. I'll select the basics gradient and select this gradient, and I can also change the color from here. I can select any of the color I want. I'll select the light yellowish color and then press OK, and again press OK. And right now the gradient is from bottom to top. I need the gradient from top to bottom, therefore I check on the reverse and then press OK. Now I'll change the blending mode to something like soft light and then I'll go to the edit and then select the free transform. Right click on the free transform and select the perspective and drag both the anchor and make it narrow a little bit and adjust the position of the light. I'll increase both the bottom anchors so that the light falls down. I'll again select the elliptical marquee tool and mark to the bottom so that the light falls on the floor. And then I'll again go to the adjustment layer and again select the gradient. This time the style of the gradient is set to be reflected and all the setting is okay for me, and then I'll press OK. Change the blending mode of the gradient layer to something like soft light and adjust the position. I'll select the gradient fill one layer and go to the filters, click on the blur and select the Gaussian blur. Convert to smart object and then apply the Gaussian blur, the radius value to something like 13 and then press OK. And again I'll select the gradient fill layer 2 and apply the blur and then select the Gaussian blur. Convert to smart object. Okay, I want to convert it and then press OK. Now looking something realistic. Now these both layers are created. Now I want to create a new group. I'll just click on the group and drag these two gradient layers into the one group. Okay, fine. Now I'll change the blending mode of the group to something like soft light. Now I'll duplicate the group by pressing the Ctrl J key and select both of the gradient fill layers and and drag it to another lamp light. Now I'll change the blending mode of this layer to something like overlay, and again I'll duplicate the layer by pressing the Ctrl J key and select both of the layers by holding down the Shift key and straightly drag to another line. Now, I'll toggle it on and select the gradient fill layer 2 and drag this light effect on the table and change the blending mode to something like overlay and also change the gradient fill layer 1 to something like overlay and then toggle it off and again duplicate this group by pressing the Ctrl J key and press OK and holding down the Shift key and drag it to the other light. Okay, looking much better. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you do, then please like the tutorial and also subscribe to my channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.